Let's solve linear equations, two-step equations, by balancing and using inverse operations, which is just similar to what we used in solving one-step equations from the previous video. After mastering the technique for solving equations that are simple one-step equations, now we can consider solving two-step equations. Say, for example, we're given 4x minus 20 equals negative 8. So in here, we are interested in solving the unknown, which is x. So we have to get rid of the 20 here. Since 20 is negative, we just have to add 20 to both sides of the equation. So that would be negative 20 plus 20. That is 0. So we are left with 4x here. Then on the right side, we have negative 8 plus 20, and that would be positive 12. To solve for x, we have to divide both sides by the number beside x, or what we call the coefficient of x, which is 4. So we get x here equals 3. And that is our answer. And another example is this. 4 minus 2x equals 10. So we want to get rid of 4 here, since 4 is positive. So we subtract 4 from both sides. So we are left here with negative 2x. And on the other side, on the right side, we have 10 minus 4, which is just equal to 6. And then we divide both sides by negative 2. And we get an answer of negative 3. Okay, another example here. 8 minus x equals 2. So we want to get rid of 8 here. So we subtract, since 8 is positive, so we subtract 8 from both sides. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Then we are left with negative x. Then on the other side, that is 2 minus 8, which is just equal to negative 6. The negative sign here is just equivalent to negative 1. So to get rid of the negative sign beside x, then we divide both sides by negative 1. So we get here x as our 6 as our x, the value of x. Another example, this one. Negative 3x plus 7 equals negative 8. So we want to, we have to get rid of 7 here. So we subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Then we are left with negative 3x. And on the other side, that is negative 8 minus 7, which is just equal to negative 15. And then we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. Then our answer would just be equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Then more examples here. We have negative 3 equals x over 5 minus 4. We have to get rid of negative 4 here. So we just add 4 to both sides of the equation. So this would be negative 3 plus 4, which is just positive 1. Then we bring down x over 5. So this is it. This is what we get. 1 equals x over 5. Since the coefficient of x is 1 over 5, then we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 5 to get rid of the 1/5, or 1 over 5. So x over 5 times 5 is just x. Then 5 times 1 is just 5. So our x is equal to 5. Another example here. 7 minus 5x equals 17. So we have to get rid of 7 here, so we subtract 7 from both sides. So we are left with negative 5x, and on the other side, 17 minus 7 is just equal to 10. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 5. And then on the right side, 10 divided by negative 5, then the value of our x is equal to negative 2. I hope you understood everything. I wrote some practice problems here for you to work on. Please try to solve each one of them so you would understand better and you can practice solving two-step equations. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.